That was our final maneuver, yeah? From Disney, we go there. And we go here. Bird for Alpha. This is bird 1 and bird 2. Here. The other side. Like this, share. Like this, yeah. From this channel, we go there. Bird 2 here, and this is bird 4 of this new port. Not yet included in the, not yet updated on the ECDIS. Okay, so once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye. Continue. Minus 2-0.
Minus 2-0. Minus 2-0.
0 na lang narinig ko. Ay, 0, okay.
Stop engine. Stop engine. Stop engine. Total stop for bow.
4-0.
Total stop for bow, sir.
3-0.
Total stop for bow.
Minus 3-0.
Minus 3-0. Minus 3-0, sir. Stop engine. Stop engine.
1-5-0. Bakit may 0 pa?
Minus 3-0.
Lapit na, 10 meters na.
Minus 3-0.
Stop engine.
Stop engine.
Stop engine.
Stop engine, sir. Total stop for bow.
Very good.
0 pitch, total stop for sir.
Passing, very good. 1-5-0 na naman.
1-5 yun, sir.
Huwag mo dagdagan ng 0.
0 pitch and total stop for bow.
Last 10.
Last 10.
Last 2-0.
Last 2-0. Last 2-0. Bow to starboard.
Is 5.
Is 5. Last 2-0, sir.
Huwag ka magsasabi kung hindi pa na ano ha? Sagad mo. Hindi ka pa nga naka-execute, nandun na kaagad.
Plus 2-0, total stop for bow, sir.
Plus 3-0.
Plus 3-0.
Bawal to starboard.
Bow 1 to starboard. Plus 3-0, sir.
Lipat tayo dito.
Sir, lipat po sir. Why? Aircon may pasuyo, why? Aircon. Aircon, why? Aircon.
Zero pitch.
Lipat daw sir.
Swing shift, swing shift.
Head shift.
sir. Speed 0.3 sir.
Victor.
Still in hard starboard sir.
Pasuya. Pasuya. Why? Akin dito ka, why? Ito. Video mo, why? Victor, 5 o'clock. Why? 5 o'clock, Victor.
Midship. Midship now sir.
Why? Record mo, Victor, ha? Victor, 5 o'clock.
Victor 5 o'clock. Victor 6 sir. Victor 7 sir. Hard starboard. Hard starboard. Hard starboard now sir. Victor 7 o'clock sir. Victor 6 o'clock sir. Midship. Midship now sir. Victor 7 o'clock sir. Victor 7 o'clock sir.
Speed.
Speed 1.4 sir. Rudder still midship sir. Victor 6 o'clock sir. Speed 1.4 sir. Rudder still on midship sir. Victor 6 o'clock sir. Speed 1.4 sir. Victor 6 o'clock sir. Hardboard. Hardboard. Hardboard now sir. Victor 6 o'clock sir. Speed 1.4 sir. Victor 7 o'clock sir. Speed 1.4 sir.
sir.
Bawat starboard, minimum master.
Speed 1.4 sir.
Bawat starboard. Stop bow. Midship.
Midship now sir.
Stop bow. 0 pitch.
Bawat to port.
Bawat port.
Victor 7 o'clock sir. Hard to starboard.
Bawat to port. 0 pitch.
Hard to starboard now sir.
Bawat to port. 0 pitch.
Victor 7 o'clock sir. Speed 1.3 sir.
Bawat to port. 0 pitch.
Victor 7 o'clock sir.
Stop bow. Stop bow. 0 pitch.
Still on hard starboard sir.
Stop bow. 0 pitch.
Victor 7 o'clock sir. Speed 1.3 sir.
Stop bow. 0 pitch.
Speed 1.3 sir. Victor 7 o'clock sir.
Stop bow. 0 pitch.
Speed 1.2 sir. Still on hard starboard sir.
Stop bow. 0 pitch.
Victor 7 o'clock sir. Speed 1.2 sir.
P5.
P5.
Yung tao na yun.
P5 now sir.
Tao. Basket kayo. P5 ba? P5.
P5. Zero P5 sir.
Basket kayo. Stop bow.
Victor 7 o'clock sir. Speed 1.1 sir. Still on P5 sir. Victor 7 o'clock sir. Speed 0.9 sir. Victor 6 o'clock sir. Still on P5 sir.
Sir,
Speed 0.8 sir. Victor
Bullard.
7 o'clock sir.
Bullard number 5. Tinuro. Pupa.
Victor P5 sir.
Stop bow.
Speed 0.8 sir.
Buka mo ako, Alondra, buka kaunti, buka.
Victor 7 o'clock sir.
P5.
P5.
Still on P5 sir.
Bow. 0 pitch.
Speed 0.7 sir.
Alondra, baka.
Still on P5 sir.
Why? First line na why?
Thank you.
Why?
Victor 5 o'clock sir.
First line.
Speed 0.5 sir.
Midship.
Midship. in, sir. Stop now.
Victor,
Ilang meters pa, Payo 3? Ilang meters pa? Papunta sa 5.
Speed point
Last
4, sir.
in, stop now.
Ilang meters pa papunta 5, Payo 3? Sige, abim na. Okay.
Last in, stop now.
1 equal to.
1 to 4 now.
Still on this 5, sir.
Midship.
Headship.
1 to 4 now. Last in.
Headship now, sir.
2 to 4.
2 to 4.
Speed point 2, sir. Victor, 8 o'clock. There's still on midship, sir.
P5.
P5. P5 now, sir.
1 to 4 now. 1 to 4 now.
Victor, 8 o'clock.
Stop now. Stop now, sir.
Speed point 1, sir.
Okay na yan, Victor. Okay na yan.
Stop.
Plus 3.
Last 3. Last 3.
1 to starboard.
1 to starboard. 1 to starboard now, sir.
H5.
S5.
P5.
1 to starboard now, sir.
Position now. Quick.
Last 3.
Quickly. Pick up your spring forward.
1 to starboard now, sir. Stop now. Stop now. Last 3.
Okay now, pick up now your astern line. Pick up. 1 to 4.
Stop now. Stop now.
Speed point 1, sir.
Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Huwag nang speed.
1 to 4. 1 to 4, sir. Last 3.
2 to 4.
2 to 4.
Still on S5, sir.
4 now, sir.
Midship. Midship.
Headship.
Last 3.
1 to 4.
Headship now, sir.
Libera na spring po pa. Stop now. 1 to starboard. 0 feet starboard. Stop now. Bawat starboard. Zero feet. Okay, just bring the ship alongside Mayo 3 or you are already alongside Late Gutag.
Let go tag.
Bawal.
Tag casted off.
Bawal.
Let go tag.
Okay, you can let go back now. You are 1 meter away from the bird forward. Okay, stop now. Lipat na. Lipat na. Anong first time?
First time mo.
Tayo, sir.
Ha?
1, 2, 3, sir.
3-6 siya. Finish yun.
Finish with engine.
3-6. Chip, 3-6. Lipat mo muna yung power ng bow truss ha, bago patayin ha. Bow truss, lipat mo muna dyan.
So, tawagan mo yung engine. Engine.
Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. This time we will be docking Talisay Port, Cebu. This is where we are now here, and we will be docking here, south of Talisay Port. This time my teammates are, this is my shipmate. This is my handsome helmsman. That is my senior cadet. I will show you in deck this. So we are here. 20 muna tayo, chip. 20. It's 20. We are here, yeah, and then we will be docking it this side here. So where is my junior cadet? Huh? Where is the junior cadet?